guys, welcome back to another video. And I received hair from Donmily Hair Company, and I really appreciate the packaging that they gave me with this wig. They had it in a neck cap. The wig is a lace in the front and partially in the back, and they also give you a wig cap and adjustable straps to it's already pre-installed on the wig. You just hook it on. So yeah, here is how the hair looks like on the canvas head, and this is like just fresh out of the box. I didn't wash it or anything. So to get the wig prepared to install on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and start tweezing the hair, starting with like an inch out from the perimeter. Then I'm gonna slowly start working my way up, and then also parting the hair as I go. This takes me about 20 minutes to finish, but it gives the hair like a way more natural look. So make sure you have some tweezers that grip really well, and go ahead and take your time on this part and keep tweezing till you get the illusion of a more natural hairline, although the hairline that the wig came in already looked pretty good. Now y'all might ask, so for the video, I'm just gonna be wearing these lashes I got from Arnicelli just to give myself a little bit more pep while I'm installing this hair. So I'm gonna use the ball cap method. A lot of y'all have seen this like thousands and thousands of times, but I'm going to do it again for you in this video because you can never not perfect this method. So I used my Gots to Be Free spray and cut the ears out of my stocking cap. And with the free spray, I went ahead and did 2 layers. Make sure they dried completely down before cutting the lace with these. What kind of scissors are these? I use these usually I buy these like for lashes and to cut the lace, because like they can get really close to my skin, because if you use regular scissors, sometimes like they're a little bulky. So these are a little more smaller, slimmer, and precise. And I'm just cutting the lace down until I get it to where it's closer to my hairline. And then before I actually put the glue on to install the wig, I'm going to go ahead and use some powder that I got from this Clarity contour palette. I'll have their stuff down below too. And I'm just going to use whatever brown, girl. And I'm going to put that on. And before I actually put the Ghost Bond glue to glue the wig down, I'm going to pull the hair back, put the wig on, pull the hair back, and I'm going to peel back the cap, okay? And go ahead. No, I'm not going to pull back the cap. I'm going to cut the lace first. I don't know, some people, sometimes I won't cut the lace, but this time I'm cutting the lace first. I just want to make sure that my hairline is like legit before I actually install it. And then I'll cut in front of my ear, and then I'll just cut straight back. So just to make sure like I can actually swoop the hair behind my ear to give it like a more natural effect when I'm wearing it out. And also like this wig is true to size. Like it's not bulky, and I have a small head. My head is 26 inches, so it fit me perfectly, this small wig cap. So I am using a generous amount of the Ghost Bond hair or wig glue, and I'm gonna use a popsicle stick to smooth that out. As you can see, I am spreading it into the wig cap. And I saw this somewhere, girl, I don't remember, but I saw this somewhere. But when you use a little more Got to Be glue and you spread it into the wig cap, like you pretty much give yourself like an inch diameter, thick diameter of the Ghost Bond. So when you install your hair, when you're using like your foam and stuff like that, the lace won't lift. So I always wait till like the Ghost Bond gets a little tacky when it's dried down, but not all the way dry. When it gets a little tacky, and then I'll go ahead and lay the wig on top of that. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull down some baby hairs. And some people ask, why do you do the baby hairs? You do the baby hairs so you can cover up the lace a little better, so when you're out people can't clock it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some styling mousse, not hair mousse. It's two different things, not hair mousse, styling mousse. And then after I lay down my baby hairs as the way I prefer it, my preference, then I'll go ahead and take this do-rag that I cut in half and wrap it. So I had that on for about what, 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and then when I took it off, everything was like in place. There was some hairs that like kind of went on their own voyage, but you know, just slap that back. And then if you have any small pieces of lace lifting up like I have right here, just take just a small spritz of Gots to Be free spray, spray right there, tap it down and blow dry it, so you can have like a nice lay down lace. And I had to stop because my baby was crying. I put her in a sling. I thought I could finish the video with her in there, but she wasn't having it. So now she's back to bed. So probably about 2 hours later, I'm back. So I put a little more styling mousse to slick the hair down, and I'm going to just make sure there's no flyaways and it is sleek. Like I want a nice sleek look. So I'm using this $20 hot comb to make sure it's laid down, like lay down. So yeah, it gives you more of a natural look when the hair is like real sleek to your head. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing that. I put a small bump on the temples of my head. I don't know if you can see it or not. I did it with the hot comb. But yes, this is the hair done. Look how luscious it looks. Like, and I haven't even done nothing major to it. Like, it's not even like super conditioned or nothing. This is straight out the box. So this is a gorgeous wig. So far I've worn it a couple of days and I love it. I love it. This is a really good buy. Like, girl, you have to get it. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope I helped you in some way, shape, or form on selecting your next wig for the summer. So until next time, I will see y'all guys later. Bye.